what we want here is, what we don't want is this.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
There's not enough room for those coals to come out of there clean.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So if you're going to let it feed out of your hand, we're going to be up here, and then we're not going to snatch our horse left, so we're going to be here. Does that make sense? Okay, try it. Good.
Are we doing it?
That's perfect.
Why is it supposed to be
Now,
like that?
well, it's just a kinky rope. It's okay. So now try to go to the horn. Before you run out.
I don't even know which way to go.
That way. Yep. Mm-hmm.
That's so weird with that.
Good. Let me see that rope.
I was about to say.
Today's video is brought to you by 310 EDU. I've always maintained one goal as a horseman, stockman, and roper, to be as consistent as humanly possible. Woo, she heavy. My greatest training tool for achieving this has been our video content. Applying the principles we teach at 310 EDU will give you a better relationship with your horse, a deeper understanding of stockmanship and cattle behavior, and a far more versatile roping shot selection. These videos allow us to deep dive into the finer details of our craft while breaking down missed opportunities and great shots second by second. My ranch roping field guide is free with every membership, giving you an amazing tool to work on your consistency and versatility. Scan this QR code and go check out hundreds of hours of doctoring, branding, stockmanship, horsemanship, and more. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Did you get that?
I got that.
I'll get a different rope. I don't know any different.
Trade with me. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, try that one. See if that doesn't feed out of there a little cleaner. Good.
It's me.
Well, we want to let those coals go. There you go. Yes. This is all really good. We want it to happen now. Yes. So what's happening here is,
It's easier right here.
all right, so if I hold these tight, go, and let them get little in my hand, when they come out, they're going to be crazy. But if I let them go earlier, does that make sense?
Oh, yeah. Are you, I need rope in my hand to do it. Are you holding it like this or like?
Like this.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And typically I'm gonna look like this, like down my horse's neck. But if I'm going to the horn, I'm gonna push those coals forward and I'm gonna turn them to me.
Okay.
Yep. But you want to get good at, back up a little bit, Becky, go ahead. At this, letting them go early.
My relationship with Jesus.
Yes. Okay.
It's really fun when everyone's watching you.
It's good. Pressure. It's no pressure. Yes.
Come over here. When you come over here, are you like this or are you?
Either way.
Okay.
When we're here, we're stopped.
Right.
Yep. And when you want to go back to the horn, like if you leave, you're going to let your hand ride, and then you're going to open it back up,
Okay.
but you're going to go that way. Yep.
Right.
So come here,
So I was here.
close it, let it ride, open it up, and go around the other way. So you're going to be taking another wrap.
Okay.
Yep. So, yes,
Okay.
that's right.
So I would be
Here.
thumb away.
Yes, 100%.
And then let her.
Yep.
Well,
If
he's
you-
not going, but you are. Okay.
But you're going to let it ride
And
there.
go ahead
Yes.
and then be
Yep.
able to have him back.
And if
Okay.
you're going to, we're straight up. That's right. Horn. Good. Yeah. That feel better?
Yeah.
It looked way better. Cool.